This is Zachary Jones, and welcome back to part 3 of my making my own dinner for the Scout Merit Badge, cooking merit badge. And right now, I'm trying to make a sushi with the eggs, the rice, and the seaweed, and also with bacon.
Oh.
That's what I'm trying to cook right now. So, what we're gonna do is that. The reason why I don't have oil in here is because the bacon already produces its own oil. And so if I put too much the oil in, it'll be too much oil for the bacon. That's why I won't have to put olive oil in it after I'm done with this, because then the eggs will be done. So while I'm waiting for this to cook, I'm gonna be doing the eggs. You need to crack them open. Alright, put this. I'm gonna get this. Alright, this back. And now, let me stir them. Okay. Alright, so I think the egg is ready. And now we're going to go check up on the bacon. Still not quite ready yet. So leave it here to cook. And check this one. Still not ready yet. Okay, so I need to let it cook for a while. While I do that, I'm going to get ready to get my seaweed and my rice ready. Hold on, let me clean this.
How are you going to make your sushi? Do you need anything else to help?
No.
So underneath the seaweed?
Oh yeah, I need the plastic wraps.
Oh.
Right. So the plastic wrap, here it is. I got it.
Alright. We will be back. We'll be right back.